What if I told you could start earning money today using completely free AI tools? No coding, no experience needed. Let me show you exactly how. ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Jasper's free tier are your money-making trinity. ChatGPT generates content for freelance writing gigs. Canva AI creates graphics for design clients. Jasper produces copy for email marketing campaigns. Each tool requires zero upfront investment but delivers professional results clients will pay premium prices for. 1. AI-powered content writing for blogs and websites. 2. Automated social media management and caption creation. 3. Virtual assistant services handling scheduling and emails. 4. E-commerce product descriptions and listing optimization. 5. Personalized email marketing campaigns. Each generates $503,000 monthly once you land 3 to 5 clients. Week 1, master one free AI tool completely. Week 2, create 5 portfolio samples. Week 3, land your first paying client on Upwork or Fiverr. Week 4, deliver exceptional results and collect testimonials. Start with service-based work. It's fastest to revenue. Reinvest your first earnings into premium tools once proven profitable. Don't compete on price, you'll lose. Position yourself as an AI efficiency expert, not a content creator. Avoid overselling capabilities, underpromise and overdeliver. Never use AI output directly without human review and customization. The real value isn't the tool, it's your business strategy and client relationships. Like this video, subscribe for weekly AI business strategies, and comment which AI tool you're testing first. Let's build this together.